Everyone experiences anxiety at some point in their lives. Your body reacts naturally to potentially dangerous situations. Chronic anxiety that disrupts your sleep and mental health is sadly problematic and unhealthy. If you feel anxious often or for a long time, it can hurt your brain and body. A mental health professional can teach you coping strategies to help you feel less anxious and more in control of your life. If worrying about money is making you anxious, you can take back control right away and stop worrying. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you some effective ways of handling financial anxiety. Let's now get going. Number 1. Consider the worst case scenario. Even if it seems counterintuitive, imagining the worst case scenario is the most effective way to deal with financial anxiety. Worrying about the worst is the leading cause of financial stress. But imagine your worst financial nightmare coming true. On a national level, some of your worst financial fears might have materialized. But what would you do differently if you had to repeat the entire process? Once you've identified and acknowledged your fears, develop a plan to lessen their hold over you. The reality is that bad things do happen, but by foreseeing them and foreseeing your response, you can take full control of almost any circumstance. Number 2, educate yourself. We have a natural fear of things we don't understand. Make those unknowns knowns if you're worried about money because you're afraid of the unknown. For example, if you want to save for retirement but don't know where to start, you may be worried about your financial future. Money anxiety comes from feeling like you don't know enough about money and are lost when making financial decisions. In the world of finance, ignorance is not bliss. So, to alleviate your anxiety, educate yourself and complete the following tasks. Look into online retirement savings options. Sign up for a budgeting and money management class at the community's office for continuing education. Enroll in a local college's accounting course. For new investors, consider taking a MOOC. Speak with a financial counselor about your options. Seek advice from someone who has prior experience in your particular financial situation. Money won't be a stressful mystery if you take control of the situation and educate yourself on the subject. Number 3. Stop making comparisons with yourself. Images of vacations, vehicles, and other outward displays of wealth abound on social media. Compared to others, comparing yourself to others' finances and wealth increases your stress. Regardless of how accurate your perception of your friends or social media influencers' wealth is. When you try to measure up frequently, you may feel like your efforts to save money are futile or that you are not where you should be. However, if you find yourself falling into the comparison trap, keep the following in mind. You're overlooking the big picture. You have no knowledge of their financial situation. Even if a friend appears to be doing well, he or she may have credit card debt or dwindling emergency savings. You're not putting in the work. Your financial situation is private and personal to you. Your friends' journeys are not the same as yours. Your experiences are unique. Remember that your personal financial goals are based on your lifestyle, family, and past experiences. Social media is a two-way street. Perceptions can be skewed because most people only share the best parts of their lives on social media. Financial seclusion is advantageous. Decide to keep some aspects of your life private so you're not obligated to boast about your wealth to your friends. The only person with the ability to change is oneself. Instead of judging your own success by the success of others, set up a way to track and manage your own financial health, like a savings account and a detailed monthly budget. Number 4. Adopt an emergency fund. Even the best laid plans for money can go wrong if something unexpected happens, like losing a job, getting sick, dying, or a natural disaster. If fear of the unknown is making you doubt your financial plans, it's time to look at your emergency fund. An emergency fund is a sum of money set aside specifically for emergencies. The fear of not being able to pay for an emergency adds to the stress of becoming ill, being in an accident, losing a job, or needing car repairs. If you haven't already established an emergency fund, start small and save as much as you can. Then, as your contributions increase, aim for at least 6 months of living expenses. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 5. Consult a financial planner or a financial advisor. Meeting with a financial advisor can help you calm your fears and ensure you're on the right track toward your financial goals. An advisor can be very helpful if you want to save more for retirement, start investing, or just figure out what your goals are. Many financial advisors offer a free initial consultation so that you can get to know them and talk about the basics of your finances. Number 6. Budget restructuring. When I worry about money, it's usually because my personal budget is out of balance. Because life and all of its costs are rarely predictable, you need to check your budget often. If you're concerned about your finances, taking stock and writing them down can help you identify problems and ease your anxiety. When your budget is stressing you out, remove the following 4 tasks from your to-do list. Research it. Verify the amount on your bills and receipts to make sure they are accurate and in line with your budget. Increase your earnings. Check to see if you're in debt every month, because debt is one of the leading causes of stress. If you're losing more money than you're making, you should reconsider your money-making strategy. To supplement your income, consider taking on a second job or starting a side business. Expenses should be reduced. Going over budget will undoubtedly cause you and your bank account stress. While performing your budget checkup, look for areas where you can cut your spending. Talk to your phone and TV service providers about ways to lower your phone bill or TV package. Pay off your debts. Knowing when your credit card balances, student loans, or car payments will be paid off can be a source of relief. Make a debt-paying strategy and stick to it. If credit card or student loan debts are causing you stress, reconsider your debt repayment strategy to see if you can increase your payments and speed up your repayment. Number 7. Positive thinking. Focusing on the good things about your finances instead of the bad things has a lot of benefits. Positive thinking will not pay your bills or stretch your budget for you, but it will reduce your anxiety. It can also help you figure out what your financial assets are and how much they are worth, which can help you solve some of your problems. Number 8. Banish financial shame. You may feel ashamed or embarrassed about your financial situation if you have a history of financial mismanagement. Feeling bad about your money can quickly turn into anxiety and concern about how your past mistakes will affect your future plans, whether they were caused by a lack of money, poor budgeting, or a lack of knowledge about sound financial practices. Remember that educating yourself and organizing your finances, even if the numbers make you cringe, put you on a better path for the future and helps reduce financial shame. There is no shame in wanting to be better with money, so talk about it with your partner, seek advice, or seek help. This shows that you know how to handle your money well enough to not let what you did in the past dictate what you do now. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.